We're diving right into this important update on YouTube Shorts and how it's going to affect those content creators interested in making this type of content. Let's go. At this point, we're going to assume that most people are fairly familiar with YouTube Shorts and what they are. However, for those who are new to this concept, YouTube is slowly rolling out their new Shorts category of videos. These videos are for content creators to make in a 9:16 or vertical format up to 60 seconds long. You can make these videos easily using your mobile phone. Now, this started as a beta in India a number of months back, but many people from other countries were able to circumvent that and start making their own YouTube Shorts videos months ago. And a lot of content creators have had incredible success using them to grow their channels. And as the rollout is coming to other countries, it's starting to gain a lot of momentum. Now, YouTube recently announced some huge updates to the Shorts program. They posted a blog recently about launching in the US. However, they ended up quickly retracting that post because apparently they weren't ready to announce it yet. But once something is on the internet, it's not that hard to track down anymore, and I was able to do just that. So I'm going to share some of those awesome updates with you right now. After testing its YouTube Shorts feature in India, YouTube has announced that it's bringing a Shorts beta to some users in the US. YouTube announced its TikTok-like Shorts feature back in September and began testing the initial beta in India. After initial success, with the number of Indian channels using its Shorts creation tools tripling since early December, and daily views rising to 6.5 billion daily views globally, YouTube is now expanding the Shorts beta to the US. The Shorts beta in India featured several basic creation tools. A multi-segment camera that lets users string multiple video clips together, record videos with music, and control video speeds and settings, and others. Now, YouTube is also adding the ability to add text to specific points in a video. Also, users will be able to sample audio from other Shorts to help with remixes. Now, one thing I can't stress enough is if you're thinking about jumping in to make some Shorts content, you need to get going on it right now. On January 26th, YouTube announced that there was an average amount of daily views of 3.5 billion on Shorts videos alone. 3.5 billion per day. By March 18th, when this blog post was leaked, that was up to 7 billion views per day. The competition for these videos is going to continue to increase day by day, and it's going to get tougher and tougher. So now is the time to get on that. If we take a look at the keyword hashtag Shorts, we can actually see the total amount of videos and channels that are making Shorts content right now. And this does not include all the Shorts content that is currently being made, just those using the hashtag. Now, it's mind-boggling to see just how many views this could turn into in the run of a year. Doing some simple math, it could turn into literally trillions of views per year. YouTube says it will launch the ability to use audio from billions of videos across its platform within the next few months, which, quote, will unlock a new playground of creativity like never before. This will allow users to get more creative with the content that they love and find new audiences in the process. This could be anything from reacting to jokes to trying a creator's latest recipe, or reenacting a skit. Creators who don't want their long-form content remixed can simply opt out of this process. Now, this looks very interesting and could open up possibilities to reach all kinds of new audiences for your channel. It does beg the question, however, if you can opt out, are you automatically opted in to begin with? YouTube has not yet made that part very clear. Now, the next part is what I think is one of the most exciting parts about this. YouTube has announced as part of the program, they're going to allow Shorts videos to be monetized. And for the record, Shorts videos are currently not eligible to be monetized. But YouTube has promised at some point they're going to implement this, though they haven't again released the details on exactly the timing for that. In addition to the above, YouTube is looking to help creators get discovered with a new row on its desktop homepage reserved especially for Shorts. Users can watch Shorts by swiping vertically from one video to the next. On mobile, the YouTube app will also feature a new Shorts tab. And Shorts monetization is also on its way, but but YouTube hasn't shared any further information about this yet. Now, I personally think that the addition of this bar on the homepage will be an excellent addition and an opportunity for small and new content creators to get discovered. It will give them a chance to potentially go viral, even as a small channel. Now, another tip is that YouTube highly recommends that your shorts videos do not go above 15 seconds. Even though you can go up to 60 seconds, their recommendation is 15 seconds. That should tell you something. Now, it seems to be from my own research on this topic that the shorter the video is, pun intended, the better chance it has to go viral. And the shorter videos seem to perform better in general overall. Now, I'd love to know your thoughts on this topic, so be sure to drop a comment below and leave your feedback. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.